There are 31 chocolates in a box, 7 nuts, 11 caramel, 13 solid. Someone randomly selects one piece, eats it, and then selects a second piece. Find the probability of selecting a solid chocolate followed by a nut. So solid and then nut. So out of 31, you have 13 solid and you have 7 nuts. So you want solid followed by nut. So probability of solid and then nut. So there were 13 solids and 7 nuts and 31 total. The first is solid, so 13 solids out of 31. And then there are 7 nuts. So first is solid, second is nuts. So you still have 7 nuts, but now you have only 30. Uh, because you ate up one of the 31 candies. So for the time you are picking up a nut, you have only 30 total candies left. We still have the full 7 nuts intact because the first one was not a nut. So you have to give the answer as a fraction and nothing cancels out. So it would be 13 times 7 is 91. And 31 times 30 is 930. Is it? So 91 by 930. C. A bag of 33 bulbs contains 14 red, 11 yellow, 8 purple. Suppose 2 tulip bulbs are randomly selected without replacement. What's the probability that the 2 are both red? So you are doing it without replacement and you want both red. So there are 14 red. So the first red would be 14 out of 33. And now you want the second also to be red. Now the first one has been picked up as red, so now there are only 13 reds left, and there are 32 total left. And you have to do it to 3 decimal places. 14 times 13 over 33 times 32. Point 1723. One seven two. First red, second yellow. So first red would be 14 reds out of 33 total. And you want second yellow, so there are 11 yellows. And now there are 32 total the second time around. So 14 times 11 over 33 times 32. Point 146. First yellow, second red. So it's just like B, they've changed the order. In B, they said first red, second yellow. Now they say first yellow, second red. So you can work it out like we've been doing, but actually it comes out to be the same if you change the order like that. So I'll just write the answer. And now this one says one red, one yellow. So one red, one yellow can occur in these two ways. It could occur like first red, second yellow, or it could occur first yellow, second red. Either way, you'll have one red, one yellow. So it's this or this, and you know or means addition. So you just add up these two. 0.146 plus 0.146 is 0.292.